Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next module number MECH underscore P underscore 051 underscore Douglas C. Gyan Kohli. Dear students, from this module we are starting a new textbook. So far we have touched or followed three textbooks, namely Young Friedman, Holiday Gerald Walker, Resnick Holiday Gerald Walker, and number three, Sir Raymond Survey John Ute. Okay, these three books have already been um, followed in our previous modules. Okay, from this module we are starting a new textbook which is written by Douglas C. Gyan Kohli. Physics for Scientists and Engineers with Modern Physics. Okay, we will remain in touch with all these four books simultaneously. Sometimes we will select a problem from Young Friedman, sometimes from Resnick Holiday Gerald Walker, sometimes from Raymond Survey John Ute, and sometimes from Douglas C. Gyan Kohli. Okay. Moreover, from this module we are introducing a new playlist. This playlist will include modules from 51 to 100. Okay. Next playlist will include module number 101 to 150 and so on. Okay. So now we come towards our current module number MECH underscore P underscore 051 underscore Douglas C. Gyan Kohli. Statement: how many seconds are there in 1.00 year? Part B: how many nanoseconds are there in 1.00 year? Part C: how many years are there in 1.00 seconds? Solution of part A. We know that 1 year is equal to 365 days. Dear students, here we can also take a year of 366 days because leap year is of 366 days. Similarly, we can take 1 year equal to 365.25. Okay, we can take 1 year equal to 365.25 days because after every 4 years leap year comes. We can take it as 1/4 of the next day. Okay, 365.25. But here we are simply taking 1 year equal to 365 days. Okay, 1 year equal to 365 days is equal to 365 into 24 hours is equal to 365 into 24 hour into 60 minutes is alternatively equal to 365 into 24 into 60 seconds. This alternatively becomes equal to 31536,000 second, and in alternate form we can also write it as 1 year equal to 3.154 into 10 raised to the power 7 second. This is the solution of our part A. Now we move on to part B. We know from table of prefixes that 1 second is equal to 10 raised to the power 9 nanosecond. This implies that 1 nanosecond is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 9 second. Okay. Now we know from part A that 1 year is equal to 3.154 into 10 raised to the power second. This implies that 1 year is equal to 3.154 into 10 raised to the power 7 into 10 raised to the power 9 nanosecond. This alternatively becomes equal to 3.154 into 10 raised to the power 16 nanosecond, and this is the solution of our part B. Now we move on to part C. We know from part A that 1 year is equal to 31536,000 seconds. This implies that 1 second will be equal to 1 divided by 31536,000 here, which alternatively becomes equal to 1 over 0.3156 0.31536 into 10 raised to the power 8 here. This alternatively becomes equal to 1 over 0.31536 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 here. Okay, because previously 10 raised to the power 8 was in the denominator. When it is written in the denominator, it will be written as minus 8. Okay, this alternatively becomes equal to 3.171 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 here. Okay, this is the solution of our part C, that is 1 second is equal to 3.171 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 here. In the next slide, dear students, this is an additional note, and we have already shown this slide in many modules previously. Okay, here it is given that 1 second equal to 3.169 into 10 raised to the power minus 8, which is very close to solution arrived by us in the previous slide. Okay, we will not waste our time on this slide. This is just for your guidance. Okay, and almost this is the end of our module. However, one more slide is given in the end. This slide is about prefixes for SI units. Okay, from here we can see that 10 raised to the power minus 9 is nano, while 10 raised to the power plus 9 is giga. Okay, it means giga is a very large quantity, while nano is a very small quantity. Okay, similarly, dear students, 10 raised to the power minus 3 is milli, while 10 raised to the power plus 3 is kilo. Similarly, 10 raised to the power plus 6 is mega, while 10 raised to the power minus 6 is micro, and so on. This is just for your guidance. This is the end of our module. Okay.